Want to delete your Snapchat account permanently? Here is how to easily delete or deactivate your Snapchat account in just a few simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone and tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. Next, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Scroll all the way down to the Account Actions section at the bottom of the list and tap on Delete Account. This will redirect you to the Snapchat Accounts portal. Here, enter your username and password for security verification and tap Continue. Your account will immediately enter a 30-day deactivation period. During these 30 days, your account will be hidden from your friends and searches. If you change your mind within 30 days, simply log back into the Snapchat app with your username and password to restore it. If you stay logged out for the entire 30 days, your Snapchat account and all its data will be deleted permanently. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.